Hola! Welcome to Villa Nara. Located in Magnolias, Cumbre del Sol, the perfect place to be. Before we jump in, here are a few details. Villa Nara has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and amazing outdoor spaces. What makes this villa special is that you have everything in one floor. Let me show you around. Here's the master bedroom and suite with plenty of natural light. Check out those guest bedrooms. They are connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. This is ideal for their comfort and privacy. By opening these sliding doors, you're blending the outside with the insides. This terrace, it's definitely one of my favorite places of Villa Nara. Picture yourself enjoying lunch by this table on a quiet day. But Villa Nara doesn't finish here. It has an extra space that you can access from the outside, and then you can adapt to your needs. This is our show house, but there's 2 other Villa Naras being built for you with starting price of 1,300,000. Contact us to see which one suits you best. Hasta pronto!